which function we can see? The first function is the for explore for decomposing a string. Pratiksha, what is the first function? Pratiksha, what is the first function for decomposing a string? Decomposition means large string can be converted into small string, or large string can be break into small substring. So in that the first function is Gaurav. Ravindra, what is the first function? I will simply ask the question is that what is the first function for decomposing a string? Anyone? Because we last lecture we already see the program for that. Also next for decomposing a string, what four function we already done in the program in the practical, and you complete all this program. So the first function is good, Pallavi, then Basan. Okay, the first function is the explode. The first function is the explode. Explode is a string. It breaks a string into smaller parts and store it an array. String converted into an array. Okay, good. So explode function, it is used to convert the string into array. So the function we can use as the explode. And in the explode, the first parameter is the delimiter and the second parameter is the string. Okay. The next function is the implode. Implode function is used to convert, is same as it creates a string from an array of smaller string. Means when we discuss the explode function, explode is convert string, it convert into array. It is explode. String converted to array, it is explode. But implode means array will be converted into string. So that function is the implode function. Means when we, for example, the program for the implode function is, for example, we create a, for example, we simply create that. Okay. So implode function means array will be converted into string. For that we accept the first one as is array equals to. For creating array, for example, array is a keyword. In that we accept the last name, comma first name, comma name. Three elements will be created in an array. Okay, so this is the array. When we can use the implode function is used to convert the array into string. For that the same parameter will present. The first parameter is the delimiter and the second parameter is the, here is the array. So we call again one more variable, that is b equals to. The function name is the implode. The function name is the implode. In bracket, the delimiter, for example, here we can use the comma for separate the string, that is last name, first name and name will be separated by the comma, so that the delimiter we can use the comma. Okay, and the second one is the array name. Here the array name is the dollar array and the semicolon. And we simply print the result, that is echo. We directly write the echo dollar p. Means this function will be convert the array into string. For when we running the program, when we running this PHP script, output is like this. Last name, first is last name, and all the variable, all the array element will be separated using the commas. So here again will be comma. Then again next one function is a first name, comma, and the name. This is the implode function. Means this array will be converted into string and use the delimiter as a comma. For example, I will write here the semicolon or semicolon. Okay, so this function is again here, use here the semicolon because they separated by the semicolon. Delimiter here you can use as a semicolon. So this is the program for the implode function. Okay, understand everyone? Implode function. I want response if yes or no. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Remaining student? Sonal, Shitija, Ashwini, understand the program? Understand the implode function?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Shubham?
ma'am.
Okay? So this is the program for implode. We already write the program for explode function. So this is a simple program for the implode function. Means array will be converted to string using the delimiter, using the implode function. Okay? So write down the फर्स्ट आपने एक्सप्लोर फंक्शन का सिंटैक्स और प्रोग्राम लिखा था. You can write the syntax as well as the description as well as the program of the explode function.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so write down. Only give the heading na decomposing a string.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so write down in that PHP provides several functions to break a string into smaller components. To break a string into smaller components. Next line. They are write down the first function, that is explode. They are explode comma implode comma string token and scanf. So the function for decomposing a string, there are 4 functions are present for decomposing a string. Means large string can be converted into small string. For that 4 function we can use. The first function is the explode function. Second function is the implode function. Third function is the string token function, and fourth function is the scanf function. Okay, so write down the first function, that is explode function. Write down the first function, that is the explode function. First function, that is the explode function. Explode function. So write down in that. It breaks a string. It breaks a string into smaller parts. It breaks a string into smaller parts and store it an array. Store it an array. So write down the syntax. When using the explode function, what is the data type for returning the value, or what is the data type for the array explode function? What is the data type for explode function?
String.
श्योर। हम क्या करते हैं एक्सप्लोर फंक्शन में, क्या करते हैं एक्सप्लोर फंक्शन स्ट्रिंग विल बी कन्वर्टेड टू एरे। एक्सप्लोर फंक्शन में स्ट्रिंग का कन्वर्जन एरे में करते हुए, तो आपका जो भी रिटर्न वैल्यू किस में होगा, कौन सा डेटा टाइप में होगा, मीन्स आपने स्ट्रिंग एक्सेप्ट की, आपको क्या करना है उसको कन्वर्टेड टू स्ट्रिंग। सो व्हाट इज द डेटा टाइप ऑफ द एरे? यस अर्पित, अर्पित नो कैरेक्टर, रश्मि नेक्स्ट। सिंपल लाइन में आपको क्या करना है, स्ट्रिंग का कन्वर्जन एरे में करना है। जो भी आपका रिजल्ट है, जो आपका रिजल्ट डिस्प्ले होगा वो किस में होगा, कौन सा डेटा टाइप यूज होगा, बिकॉज द डेटा टाइप्स आर प्रेजेंट, दैट इज इंटीजर, कैरेक्टर, स्ट्रिंग, फ्लोट, और कौन से हमने ऑलरेडी राइट किए डेटा टाइप्स ऑफ द डेटा टाइप्स इन पीएचपी। बेसिक, यूनिवर्सल, क्या था स्पेशल, रिसोर्स, कौन से डेटा टाइप है इन पीएचपी?
Backup.
यस, डेटा टाइप भी नहीं आते बसंत? कौन से डेटा टाइप देखे थे हमने? Good, Akash Jadhav. It is the array because when we returns the result will be displayed in the form of array, means in the form of key and value. So the data type of that function is the array because the result is printed in the form of keys and value. Because when we discuss the data types in the PHP, there we can see scalar data type and the compound data types. In the scalar data type, integer, float, string and booleans are present, and then the compound data types or the compound types, array and the object are present. So array is also one of the data type. So the data type of the explode function is the array. So array is the data type of the function explode, and in bracket the first one is the delimiter. So delimiter is the dollar delimiter, and it is a data type is the string, and the second one is the string. Dollar is the second one parameter is a string, so it is assumed that the string, and for example we give the limit. For example, when we give the limit 2 1 2, so this array will be represented in the form of two values in the form of three values. So integer, dollar, limit, and it is the syntax of the explode function. Okay. Okay, fastly marks the attendance. Marks the attendance in classwork as well as in chat box. 21 students are present. So fastly marks the attendance. Okay, done the syntax? Okay, so write down in next line. Returns an array of strings. Returns an array of string